Now y'all can see me a little bit more. I look a little bigger, right? Yay, nay. So I don't care. No.
Tell you this, if you don't got kids, don't be a stepdad. If you do, you a motherfucking fool. Don't get too attached, because at the end of the day, that's not your kid. And if you want to be a damn fool and not have kids and go be a stepdad, go holler at Deontay Wilder. You're a damn fool, because not only do you got to walk on eggshells with somebody else's kid, this the part people don't ever think about. The days where she's arguing with her baby daddy because he did some bullshit, didn't send the child support money, was supposed to take little man for the spring break, and he spun off. Now she's in your house mad over the actions of another man, and you, her man, gotta deal with that. So now you get the repercussions from what another nigga outside your house did.
Man, listen, I actually seen that video of Deontay Wilder going on there and talking about how the mother, well, not even the mother of his kids, but yeah, how that young lady did him. You should have stayed. You should have stayed with your first, bro. You should have stayed with the first chick that you was with. That's it, man. They get money and they get beside their doggone self. But yeah, let's go ahead and break this thing down. I've told y'all time and time again, stop trying to be a step crash dummy. I'm gonna tell y'all, one of the young ladies that, this was a long time ago, long time ago. One of the young ladies that I was kicking it with a while ago or whatever, she felt some type of way because of what I said. I was like, man, listen, I don't see how guys do it. What you mean? I don't see how dudes become stepdads. What are you saying? Like, first of all, hold on, did you think that's what I was here for? Did you think that's what I was here for? Hell no. So I was like, listen, I think that the guys that do step in and, step in and become stepdads or whatever, I think that those guys don't get enough credit. So I'm not necessarily bashing those guys. I'm just saying I ain't doing it. And I don't see how in the hell guys do it. Reason being, I have seen so many dudes that have done that. And this is why I say it's not like a very rewarding job. Those kids grow up and they still go out and look for their father. Like, they still long for that feeling of knowing who their father is, trying to get that bond. And you got a lot of them mofos that flat out just be disrespectful. Like, you ain't my daddy. Like, man, when the last time y'all had a conversation with these little bad mofos? Yeah, nah, I ain't doing it, man. Not the kids of this generation. The kids of this generation don't have any respect for their own parents, let alone a stepdad or a step crash dummy. They gonna flat out disrespect you. I ain't doing it, dog. And he also said, if you don't have children, why in the world would you sign up for that? An eligible bachelor, a guy, let's just say a guy that don't have children, especially if you got yourself together, brother, you doing what needs to be done, you taking care. I told you was biggest. Man, I ain't that big. Relax. Calm down, bro. I was like, who biggest? I am definitely not that big. But yeah. Man, play the video.
Don't be a stepdad. If you do, you a motherfucking fool. Don't get too attached, because at the end of the day, that's not your kid. And if you want to be a damn fool and not have kids and go be a stepdad, go holler at Deontay Wilder. You're a damn fool, because not only do you got to walk on eggshells with somebody else's kid, this the part people don't ever think about.
Before we get into that, that's another thing. You got to walk on eggshells. That's not your kid. Man, I would love to have an honest conversation with a stepdad. Not that I'm going to try to bash him. Not that I'm going to try to put him in a corner or whatever. But I would love to have a genuine conversation and ask this guy or whatever, do you really love that child like that? Like, can you really develop the same type of love for somebody else's kids? I don't know. Again, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Y'all let me know. I'm trying to process it. Like, if you have a child, you're telling me to love your child like a guy loves his child. Most men that I know are willing to put their life on the line for that child. I'm not saying that, you know, a guy shouldn't or he should, but realistically, I don't know, man. That's tough. That's just tough to try to process. I don't see anything wrong with it, but again, I would love to have a genuine conversation. This is a stranger. Like, I don't really, you know what I'm saying? Me and your mom ain't even rocking like that. You no.
Days where she's arguing with her baby daddy because he did some bullshit, didn't send the child support money, was supposed to take little man for the spring break, and he spun off. Now she's in your house mad over the.
See, this is another thing, man. That woman has had a child with another man, so technically they linked for life, like for the duration. Like they have to deal with each other because they have a child together. When you can just go out and just get your own family, get your own girl and start a new or start a family. Why in the world would you even want to complicate something like that? Why? I don't get it, man.
Of another man, and you, her man, gotta deal with that. So now you get the repercussions from what another nigga outside your house did.
Nope. Egg no, man. And again, when I say things like this, let me just go ahead and point this out. I am not under any circumstances. I don't do that. I don't give advice. I don't tell anybody this is what you should or you shouldn't do. I always say, if I'm in that situation, it's a no-go for me. You know, a guy that moves the way that I move, I ain't got time for it, fam. You know what I'm saying? I think that there are some dope, gorgeous women out there that don't have children, that, you know, if I wanted to be a part, again, just speaking, again, for those guys that are single, that don't have any children, whatever, you got your own thing going on. You got your own motion. Why would you feel the need to complicate things and get with somebody that already got enough on their plate? In some cases, way too much on their plate. Nah, fam. Nah, hell no.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.